COVID-19 is teaching us a lot of things. One of them, of course, is to say namaste when you greet someone. The fact that you have to maintain a social distancing of 6 feet, no handshaking and no hugging is required. And namaste is our time-old tradition, so let us follow that from now on. COVID-19, in fact, is teaching us a lot of other things also. One thing that it is teaching us is to be self-disciplined and responsible. Because by becoming responsible and self-disciplined, we ensure that we stay safe and people around us also stay safe. Now, as lockdown was imposed upon us all of a sudden about 2 months back, we had to, especially all of us who were in education, we had to devise a way in order to continue the educational programs for our students. Lots of thoughts went into it. We started with sending assignments and certain resources to the students, but then very soon we graduated on to online classes, and we have been having online classes for the last 1.5 months and more. Online classes also require you to be self-disciplined and responsible, because it is only when you are responsible that you will go in front of your laptop or your smartphone, open the class at the designated time, and then be self-disciplined and sit there for the duration of the class. The advantage, of course, is that you are in the comfort of your home. There is no disturbance, nobody distracting you. You cannot complain that the teacher is not audible. You cannot complain that the screen is not visible, and you can also not complain that your friends around you are disturbing you. So you are completely focused on the class, and the teacher is there on a one-to-one basis with you. You are there and the teacher is there, and no other disturbance is all around. So I think you can get a lot of advantages because of that. The other thing that happens is because of the fact that we are not able to have interaction, which is one of the major complaints that students say are one of the drawbacks of an online class. We may graduate onto that also as we become more mature in taking these classes, but right now we don't have that. But the fact is that what does it do? If you are focused on your class, I'm sure there will be a lot of questions in your mind. And it is now your responsibility once again to go back to your books, to various resources available, and trying to find the answers. We have been talking about student-centered approach for teaching, and right now you are the main person who is responsible for your own teaching. So self-directed learning, self-learning, all these words that you were using earlier on are very much now available to you to do. And so for all the students, this is a wonderful opportunity to firstly get an idea about, take a class and understand what is being said, and then go on yourself to study about the particular things that have been told to you. For the teacher also, it's a wonderful opportunity because it gives you once again an undisturbed focus on the class. Sometimes the teacher also complain of the same thing, the fact that 150 students sitting over there, some of them yawning, some of them talking, some of them disturbing, and that is not there. The interaction is missing once again. But the fact is that you have a limited amount of time for you to focus on and make the student understand what you want him to understand. So this is again, there are lots of resources available for you to use, and you can make a wonderful name for yourself as a teacher by doing these or by taking these online classes. Online classes do not have any boundaries. If you make a name for yourself, you can actually take classes from the comfort of your home, and the students will be more than happy to attend your classes anytime, anywhere. Not only the students of our institution, there are, since no boundaries there, anybody from all over the world can log in and see your classes. What a wonderful opportunity you have to make a name for yourself. So it is a win-win situation for all. Online classes was something which I think people talked about what would happen in the future. COVID-19 has thrust this upon us today. Let us take full advantage of it. Let us innovate. Let us learn as we go along how to make the best use of these online classes. That's all for now. Take care everyone and stay safe.